Hello everyone, welcome to PPS Spark.
Okay, let's go.
I am Kat. Today we are going to build on simple project using MIT App Inventor. So already we discussed in last our video about MIT App Inventor. What is MIT App Inventor? Who developed it and why it's useful for school students. So in this video we are going to build one project. That is whenever the user click the button at the time, hello message or any other message will show on our screen. Now I'm going to web browser and search MIT App Inventor. So once you search, you can see here a lot of links. So you need to click the first link, MIT App Inventor. So if you are not already registered with your email ID, you can see in our last video how to log in with your email ID in MIT App Inventor. I already registered with my email ID. So I click this create apps. So here you can see the user interface for MIT App Inventor. Now I am going to create a new project. So just click the new project and I am giving the project name for hello message. Whatever you wish, you can choose and select your project title. So now we are seeing in user interface and then black session properties like this. So in this user interface, you can see the lot of components like button, checkbox, circular box. What are the components you want? You can easily access and drag and drop here. So this is the property side. Now, what is our project means? Whenever the user click the button, in this case, the hello message or any other message should show on our screen. So in this case, we need two components, main two components. First one is button to click. So here, before going to build our project, we need to choose and we need to design our user interface. How to design our user interface? Now you can see. So here I am using the layout for proper alignment. So you can see here layout. So here I am using vertical alignment for proper alignment our design. So you can see once you click the vertical alignment, you can see the properties, whatever the original alignment you can see, and you can change the alignment and background color. Whatever you want to change, you can easily change. So I am clicking the center here. You can see the height is with parent. Height also with parent and width also with parent I am using. So once I am changing the vertical arrangement, after that I am choosing the name of the screen name. Instead of screen name, I am clicking the hello message. I am choosing the hello message. You can see here it's changed now. You can see the change the font size. If you want to change the font size, you can easily change here also. About screen, whatever you want, you can change. Now I am choosing the button for click. So I am drag and drop here button, and then I am going to change the button name. Just click me. So if you want to change any font size or font bold, you can change easily in our properties. Once you click the button, you can see the properties in right side corner and you can change. Whatever you want, you can change easily. If you want to change the text color also, you can easily change here. Whatever you want to change, easily accessible from the property side. So once I am using the button and drag and drop here, after that I am using one label for to show our message. So here also I am changing the message. Instead of text box, I am changing the message here. You can see now I am going to change the font size and font bold. If you want to add any background color, you can easily access here. So blue is not clear, so I am using magenta. So whatever you want, you can easily access. So I'm clicking the done. So I am using here with is 70 percentage to show our message. So and text alignment is center. You can see the text alignment. So after that, once we successfully create our user interface for our hello message application, now we are going to choose our black session. In this black section, you can see the lot of components like control. If you want to control statement, you can easily drag and drop here, and then logic, match function, whatever you want, you can easily drag and drop here. So I'm now going to click the button. So in this button, you can see the when button only click. What is our requirement? Whenever the user going to click the button at the time, the message will show on our screen, right? So that's why I'm using here when button only click. So in this case, I am using one label. So inside the label, we need to set the text. What message we need to show. So I am using here select text dot text label dot text. So in this case, we need to add one string concept. String means nothing but alphabetic, continuous alphabetic string. So I am using one normal empty string. So inside the string, I am entering the message. Hello, message. Whatever you wish, you can change the message. So this is our black session. So now we successfully complete our hello message application. Now we need to test before uploading or before launching our application. We should test our application how it is work or is it working or not. If any problem we faced. So in this case we need to go and click the connect. So here you can see the AI campaign emulator USB refresh. So in this case AI campaign emulator is there are two testing tools. So here I'm using AI campaign. So here you can see the QR code and you can see the codes also. Now in this case we need to download one application from our Play Store in our mobile. So now I am going to download.
I hope you guys in this video is very useful for you because from this video you can easily understand about MIT App Inventor and how to develop the project using MIT App Inventor. If you have any doubt, comment in comment section and don't forget to share, like, subscribe our